In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Slack app. We're keeping this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. Slack is a popular messaging tool for teams, and getting the desktop app gives you faster access, notifications that actually reach you, and a smoother experience than just using a browser tab. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Click into the address or search bar at the top and type the phrase Slack download. Press enter. This search is the quickest way to reach Slack's official downloads page, even if you don't remember the exact web address. When your results appear, look for the official Slack website. It should show the domain with slack.com, often something like slack.com downloads. You can ignore ads or third-party sites. Sticking to the official domain helps you avoid misleading links and ensures you're getting the authentic app. As a quick safety check, confirm you see a small padlock icon next to the address and that the URL clearly includes slack.com before proceeding. Next, click the result that leads to Slack's download page. Once you're on the official page, you'll typically see a prominent download button. Slack usually detects your operating system automatically and shows the correct option for Windows, macOS, or Linux. If it doesn't, the page often includes links or tabs, so you can choose the one that matches your computer. Take a second to confirm that the button you're clicking corresponds to your device. Go ahead and click the Download button to start the download. Your browser should begin fetching the installer file right away. Depending on your connection, it might take a moment. Most browsers will show the progress at the top right, top left, or bottom of the window. You may see the file name appear in your downloads list or a small progress bar letting you know it's on the way. If your browser asks for permission to save the file, choose Save. And if you're on a managed work computer, you might see a brief security prompt. Just allow the download if it's from the official Slack site. That's it. You've searched for the app, clicked through to the official Slack page, and started the download. If you want, you can keep this tab open and let the download complete in the background. Once the file finishes, you're ready for the next steps later on. For now, you've successfully begun downloading the Slack app from the official source.